Dear friends, today we are talking about the stomach. Take a look at the whole world. Every human being suffers from some kind of stomach problem. Some people have flatulence in their stomach, some do not have a bowel movement, and some have belching, some have acidity. Every person suffers from some stomach ailment. Today we are talking about a prescription that is a cure for all these stomach illnesses. It will relieve constipation and prevent flatulence. Will eliminate acidity. This is an alternative of the Rizec tablet. Try this recipe, all your stomach worries will go away. Prescription: carom seeds, 125 grams. Dried Phyllanthus emblica, 125 grams. Terminalia chebula, 125 grams. Terminalia biliaca, 125 grams. Sal ammoniac, 125 grams. Cassia angustifolia, 250 grams. Dried mint leaf, 125 grams. Dried aloe vera, 12 grams. Zadori root, 12 grams. Black pepper, 125 grams. Black salt, 125 grams. Dried rose petals, 125 grams. Make powder of all ingredients. Dosage: use 1 gram in the morning, afternoon, and evening after meals with lukewarm water.